Today, industrial companies are facing serious issue around downtime. Industry reports suggest that a single hour can cost between $1 and $5 million. At PTC, we are helping our industrial customers reduce downtime through Vuforia mixed reality and augmented reality solutions. PTC's Vuforia Studio solution allows customers to easily drag and drop and create a mixed reality experience in hours instead of days or weeks. Using PTC's Vuforia Studio, one of our industrial customers, Howden, was able to easily and quickly create a mixed reality experience.
Howden is an original equipment manufacturer. Our products can be found in virtually every air and gas application. If this equipment ever goes offline, it costs a lot of money.
Compressor is a critical equipment within the wastewater plant. Plant operators are not typically expert of compressors.
Our customers are looking for us for solutions to empower them and how to best service their equipment.
Today, Howden is pulling ThingWorx data that's operating on an Azure IoT cloud, and it's overlaying that information in context through mixed reality.
We're overlaying the digital twin data on the physical product to show our customers the operating condition and the performance of the equipment.
Literally at their fingertip, we can provide 160 years of compressor knowledge.
Using Microsoft HoloLens, that customer experience is truly immersive, and you get to understand a lot more, and it's just a new way of looking at your equipment that you've never had before.
With the PTC Vuforia solution and the Microsoft HoloLens together, I think we can really provide a transformative experience for our customers in the industrial market.